Hey everybody, I just wanted to jump in before I started the monthly episode that I do to show you the images I've sold in the stock photography market. I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers who are hanging in there with me. For those of you who are just joining us, I am in a very heavy work period. I am literally working night and day, which is good. That means my business is doing really well. I'm getting a lot of travel, and I'm going to be sharing with you all these destinations that I'm going to in a little bit. We're about halfway through the cycle where I've cut down my weekly episodes to about one a week, and in about 3-4 weeks from now we'll be back to the normal 2. So again, thank you everybody for sticking with me here. I'm going to go get this run in so I can go back to work, and all of you enjoy this episode. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jason Yoder, and this is where I share with you my passions for travel and photography. And today I share with you one of the ways how I pay for those passions. As always, at the end of each month, I share with you some of the images I have sold in the stock photography market. So this is my report for February 2020. Let's do this.
I can be with you wherever. Stay at home or in a foreign land. I can stay like this forever, 'cause I got the world in my hand.
If this is your first time joining me on my channel, welcome, and I invite you, click that subscribe button. Not only do I have some amazing photography coming from Arizona, also I've already been out to Hawaii, and I'm about to leave for Japan, and then off to Canada, and then Italy. So I'm going to be bringing you a lot of my photographic adventures from around the world, but you got to click that subscribe button. Now, normally I start off these monthly episodes where I show you the images I've sold in the stock photography market with showing you the ones that sold for the first time. But I'm going to do something a little bit different here. So I was contacted by a member of our community, Sam Emmers, and Sam just sold his very first stock photography image. He took it with his iPhone, and to make it even more impressive, it sold 2 days after he put it on sale. That is awesome. Great job, Sam. So here's the image that he sold. When I first looked at it, I honestly thought that I was looking at a drone image, looking down at some neat canyons and stuff, and then I realized it was essentially cracked mud. So very cool, man, very cool. Now here is a link to Sam's portfolio. I believe it's on Shutterstock. And there's another image I want to highlight of his. I really like this sunflower image, right? And in particular, not only are your eyes drawn to the sunflower, but they're also drawn to the background. Take a look at that. He has slightly blurred out what looks like some cathedral, and it's really cool. He even has it at a little bit of an angle to try to even and make it even more cool. So Sam, hey man, great job on that first time sale. Welcome to the club, buddy. All right, everybody, here we go. The images I have sold for the first time in the stock photography market for February 2020. All right, here are my top selling images from some of the agencies I use. This first one, it's from Big Stock Photo, and it was taken while I was filming my episode on fall photography in the Lockett Meadow. Now this area is above Flagstaff, Arizona. We're around 8,000 feet. We're catching the end of fall, but we're still able to find some interesting pictures. This next image is actually from my hometown in my episode I filmed called Exploring Topeka, Indiana. So this is the train depot, the historic train depot in my small little one blinking stoplight hometown. This one got me $1.08 on 123RF. My top selling image this month from Getty Images came from my Arizona sunset panorama episode. I continue to get a lot of great sales from the images I took this night. This one got me $1.23. My trip out to Washington, D.C. continues to be really profitable. This next image came from my sunset at the U.S. Capitol episode. I got on Shutterstock $2.48 and on Adobe Stock $5.89 for this image of the Capitol of the United States. Now here's my top selling image for the month. This image is also from my Arizona Sunset Panorama episode. This is from Albany, just my second sale on that platform, and I got a commission of $8. So this next one is not stock photography, it is stock footage. That drone continues to pay for itself. The footage you're about to see came from my episode on learning to fly the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I was lucky to get some incredible light hitting the underside of the clouds and reflecting this beautiful rose-colored light onto the ground. This footage sold on Shutterstock, and I got a commission of $49.23. Well, that's all from Satellite Beach, Florida. So if you enjoyed these types of episodes where you get to learn about how to pay for your travel photography, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Every quarter, I actually give you the numbers of how much money I've made. And the next quarterly report will be at the end of April. But as always, at the end of each month, I show you the images that I've sold to help me pay for all of this travel. That is it from the windy shores of Satellite Beach, Florida. Next episode, you are going to see something very unusual: fog in the Sonoran Desert.